Alright guys, let's kick things off with a look at what SearchGPT actually is. Imagine a search engine that doesn't just throw a wall of links at you, but actually understands what you're asking and gives you direct answers, like talking to an expert. That's SearchGPT in a nutshell. It's OpenAI's latest foray into making information more accessible and intuitive, and it's powered by the same cutting-edge AI technology that drives ChatGPT. Think of it as ChatGPT with real-time access to the entire internet. This means you get up-to-the-minute information, not just data the model was trained on months ago. It can pull in news, stock prices, sports scores, you name it. And the coolest part? It tells you exactly where it got its information from, so you can verify everything yourself. This is a huge step forward in terms of transparency and trustworthiness in the AI search game. Now, you might be thinking, Google already does this with AI overviews, right? Well, sort of. Google's approach is more like adding a summarized snippet at the top of your regular search results. It's helpful, but it doesn't really change the fundamental way you search. SearchGPT, on the other hand, is a completely different beast. It's designed to be conversational. You can ask follow-up questions, refine your search, and explore related topics, all within the same thread, just like chatting with a friend. Google's AI overviews are still tied to the old keyword-driven model, while SearchGPT is about understanding your intent and giving you the most relevant information, even if you don't use the perfect keywords. This conversational approach is a game changer, especially for complex topics where you need to dig deeper and explore different angles. Let's not forget Microsoft's Bing, which has been making some serious strides in the AI search arena. They've partnered with OpenAI, and that collaboration is evident in SearchGPT's reliance on Bing as a primary source of web data. This adds a whole new layer to the competitive landscape. Bing's resurgence is no coincidence. They're positioning themselves as a key player in the AI-powered search revolution, and this partnership with OpenAI gives them a significant advantage. It also highlights the growing importance of Bing as a data source for AI models. If your website isn't optimized for Bing, it might not even show up in SearchGPT's results. This is something we all need to be paying attention to, folks. Bing is no longer the underdog. It's a major force in the search game, thanks to its AI integration. So, what does all this mean for publishers? Well, SearchGPT actually prioritizes citing its sources. Unlike traditional search, where the focus is often on driving traffic to the highest-ranking pages, SearchGPT links directly to the original content creators. This is a game-changer for publishers who have been struggling to get their content noticed in the crowded online space. SearchGPT values quality over quantity. It's not about keyword stuffing or gaming the algorithm. This focus on authority and accuracy could actually benefit publishers who invest in in-depth research and original reporting. It's an opportunity for them to reclaim their place as trusted sources of information in the age of AI. E-commerce is another area where SearchGPT could have a huge impact. Imagine being able to ask a search engine for the best running shoes for marathon training and getting personalized recommendations based on your foot type, running style, and budget. That's the power of conversational AI. SearchGPT can understand the nuances of your needs and provide highly targeted results. This could be a game changer for online retailers, who can now focus on creating content that answers specific customer questions and addresses individual concerns. It's a move towards a more personalized and interactive shopping experience, where AI helps you find exactly what you're looking for without having to scroll through endless product pages. Now, let's talk about SEO. Search engine optimization is no longer just about keywords, folks. With the rise of AI-powered search, it's about understanding user intent, creating comprehensive content, and building authority in your niche. SearchGPT prioritizes authoritative sources, so it's more important than ever to build a strong online presence and earn trust with your audience. This means focusing on high-quality content, engaging with your community, and building relationships with other reputable websites. Technical SEO is still important, of course, but the focus is shifting towards creating content that resonates with both users and AI models. It's about providing clear, concise, and informative answers to the questions people are actually asking, not just trying to game the algorithm with keywords. One of the key technologies behind SearchGPT's capabilities is Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. This is basically how the AI model accesses and uses information from the web in real time. It's what allows SearchGPT to go beyond the data it was initially trained on and give you up-to-date answers. Think of it as connecting the AI's brain to the internet's library. It can pull in information from all sorts of sources, news articles, research papers, product reviews, and synthesize it into coherent and relevant responses. This is what differentiates SearchGPT from traditional search engines, which rely primarily on indexing and ranking web pages. RAG allows SearchGPT to understand the meaning behind your query and provide a more informative and nuanced answer. So, what does the future of search look like? Will SearchGPT completely replace Google? It's too early to say for sure, but the shift towards conversational AI is undeniable. We're moving away from keywords and towards natural language understanding. We're moving away from lists of links and towards direct answers and personalized recommendations. SearchGPT represents a major step in that direction. It's not just a new search engine. It's a new way of interacting with information. It's a more intuitive, efficient, and engaging way to explore the web, find answers, and discover new ideas. This is the future of search, and SearchGPT is leading the charge. It's time for us to adapt. Now, with such a transformative technology emerging, what are the real-world impacts and how should businesses adapt? First, understand that the core principles of SEO won't completely vanish. Technical SEO remains crucial because even AI crawlers need to effectively crawl, identify, and access your content. It's just that the focus is shifting from strictly ranking to being referenced, requiring a recalibration of our campaign success metrics. Instead of obsessing over keyword rankings, we need to analyze user interaction with AI-powered platforms like SearchGPT. Ask yourself, how can my content keep users within the ChatGPT ecosystem? The key is anticipating and answering user needs in a thorough and engaging manner. This strategy encourages users to delve deeper into your brand narrative rather than seeking external validation. Another crucial consideration is the user's potential entry point into your brand funnel. With the evolving role of AI in information discovery, it's essential to be prepared for new-to-brand touchpoints. This necessitates understanding how AI platforms like SearchGPT can steer traffic and influence user behavior. Optimizing for these new touchpoints is crucial for maximizing brand visibility and converting new users. Let's wrap things up with some actionable insights. First and foremost, become comfortable with monitoring your brand's presence on AI platforms. This is no longer a set-it-and-forget-it game. You need to actively monitor how SearchGPT is representing your brand and products, ensuring accuracy and consistency with your overall messaging. Second, invest in creating high-quality, authoritative content. SearchGPT prioritizes sources that are trustworthy and relevant, so building authority in your niche is more important than ever. This means focusing on in-depth research, original reporting, and providing real value to your target audience. Finally, remember that search is constantly evolving. Stay up to date with the latest trends, experiment with new approaches, and be willing to adapt your strategy as the landscape changes. AI-powered search is here to stay, and SearchGPT is at the forefront of this revolution. By embracing these changes, you can position your business for success in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of AI.